Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with your nerves, today I'm sharing 10 simple but powerful tips to help you with your nerves. Let's jump right in. Have you ever felt so stressed that you could feel your nerves in your fingers and toes? Or maybe you've felt anxious to the point where you've been biting your nails or fidgeting non-stop. Today we're diving into a topic that's super close to all of our hearts: nerves. Hello everyone. We all need to take care of ourselves, but sometimes we forget that our nervous system can get overworked. So here are 10 powerful ways to calm and strengthen your nerves naturally. Let's get started. Close your eyes for a moment and focus on your breath. That's what we call mindfulness. It's like pressing the pause button on stress. Spending just 5 to 10 minutes a day in mindfulness can help you calm down, especially when things get tough. You can do this through meditation, focusing on your breath, or just by observing your surroundings. Imagine taking a deep breath in and out, feeling your belly rise and fall. When you exercise, your body releases feel-good chemicals called endorphins. It's like your own personal spa day. Exercise also lowers cortisol, a stress hormone that can wreak havoc on your nerves. And your nerves deserve all the love and care you can give them. So try these tips, find what works for you, and embrace the journey to a calmer, stronger you. A brisk 20-minute walk, a yoga session, or even a stretching routine can make a big difference. Regular movement helps your nervous system get back into balance and bounce back from stress. When you do this, you're activating your parasympathetic nervous system, which helps your mind and body relax. And when we're constantly bombarded with notifications, bad news, or too much information, they can get pretty overloaded. Picture this. Your nerves are like tiny wires that carry messages throughout your body. To do their job well, they need water. When you're dehydrated, these wires can get fuzzy, affecting your mood and how clearly you think. Aim to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. More if you're active. You can make it more fun by adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint. Taking tech breaks, turning off unnecessary notifications, and setting limits for social media use can help you protect your mental space. Magnesium is like a key that unlocks relaxation in your nerves. When you're low on it, you might feel more tense, anxious, and have trouble sleeping. Foods like spinach, almonds, bananas, and avocados are great sources. But if you're still lacking, a magnesium supplement can help. Just chat with your healthcare provider first. This way, your nervous system has time to rest and recharge throughout the day. It's like hitting the pause button on stress. Try this. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4, and exhale for 6. This sends a signal to your brain that you're safe, which reduces anxiety and eases nervous tension over time. You know that friend who always brings a chill vibe to the group? Well, the people you hang out with can actually influence how you feel, especially your nervous system. Spending time with calm, supportive, and grounded individuals can help regulate your emotions. So choose your crew wisely and avoid toxic energy when possible. Number 1, breathe deeply. Number 2, sleep well. Picture this. Your brain cells are like little plants that need the right nutrients to stay healthy and strong. B vitamins, especially B1, B6, and B12, are like the water and sunlight they need. Foods like eggs, fish, leafy greens, seeds, and legumes are packed with these vitamins. If you can't get enough from food, a B-complex supplement can help. But remember, too much of a good thing can be harmful. Think of sleep as a cozy blanket for your brain and body. When you don't get enough, your nervous system feels it, and you become more reactive and anxious. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Create a bedtime routine. Keep your room cool and dark, and limit screen time an hour before bed. Number 3, nourish with B vitamins. Number 4, limit caffeine and sugar. When you drink that cup of coffee or eat a sugary snack, you're giving your nervous system a jolt of energy. Too much caffeine or sugar can make you feel jittery, anxious, and interfere with your sleep. Try limiting coffee to 1 cup a day and cut back on processed sugars. Instead, snack on nuts, oats, and leafy greens for calm and steady energy. Number 5, take mindfulness breaks. Number 6, stay active. Number 7, avoid information overload. Our brains are like sponges. Number 8, drink enough water. Number 9, try magnesium. Number 10, hang out with calm people. Remember, you're amazing just the way you are. Get your nerve supplement in the link below.